my name is Jen Wyman. I'm an Adult Services Librarian here at Goffstown Public Library, and I want to show you our summer calendar for adults. That's right, the summer events and activities and reading challenges are not just for children and teens. Adults, we have things for you too. So if you pick up one of our calendars, you will find detailed descriptions as well as a grid calendar and a flyer for our time capsule at the end of the summer. Now, our elevator is still being worked on, so you will see we have alternate locations to make sure our programs are accessible. And if you would like to join the reading challenge, you can enter to win a few prizes such as a Flight Coffee gift card, an Ace Hardware gift card, a crochet kit and book. And there's information here in the very back, as well as on the back of our summer bookmarks. So feel free to tell a friend. You can give a bookmark for them as well. And we hope to see you this summer for our summer experience, and it runs now through August 15th. So please be sure to log everything you're reading so you can enter to win prizes, and please be sure to check out some of our many great events. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Caroline Kenny. I'm the head of Adult Services and Outreach and the Assistant Director, and I'm here to talk to you today about a book that I just read. It is very popular, Remarkably Bright Creatures, so we don't have it at the library currently. We have the audiobook on CD version, but I've picked out some read-alikes for you. So I found all of these on Novelist, which is one of our e-resources that you can find on our website, and it helps you find books that are your next read, read-alikes. So the first one is Lonely Hearts Book Club, and then we also have Death Valley, and then Melissa Berg's The Story of Arthur Truelove, and then also The Big Finish, which is one in our large print collection. So come and check them out, and then if you have questions about our e-resources, please ask a staff member. Thanks.
Thanks for watching. Stay in the know. You can subscribe to the library's monthly email newsletters at goffstownlibrary.com/subscribe, and you can unsubscribe at any time.